Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today we are solving the problem of set. This is made by me, the creator Swarnim Shrestha. First of all, we look some formula for the process of set. Number 1, n only m plus n m intersection e plus n only e plus n m union e is equal to nu. N m union e is equal to n only m plus n only e plus n m intersection e. Here for the question, the result of a survey among 120 students. There are total 120 students of grade 10 is as follows: 30 students like mathematics only, 40 like English only, and 10 like neither mathematics nor English. Based on this information, answer the following questions. Here are the given questions. Represent the above information in a Venn diagram. Find the number of students who like both the subjects. And number C. Find the number of students who like at least one subject. Here is the solution. Let M and E denote the set of students who like mathematics and English respectively. Here are the given values. NU is equal to 120. This is total number of students. And only M, this means the students who only like math, are 30. And only E, this means the number of students who likes only English, is equal to 40. And M union E, the number of students who like both, the number of students who neither like math nor English is equal to 10. N M intersection E, we do let X because there is no value given to it. All the given information is shown in Venn diagram. From the Venn diagram, question number B. N only M plus N M intersection E plus N only E plus N M union E complement is equal to NU. This is the formula for solving number B. Then we put the value. 30 students who like only math. X is we did laid on M intersection E. 40 is number of students who like only English. 10 students are the people who do not like math and English, is equal to 120. Or 80 plus X is equal to 120, or X is equal to 120 minus 120 minus 80 is equal to 40. Therefore X is equal to 40. Or M and intersection E is equal to 40. Now the value of X is 40. Therefore, the number of students who like both mathematics and English is 40. Number C. The number of students who like at least one subject, N M union E, is equal to n only m, the number of students who like only math, plus n only e, the number of students who like only English, plus n m intersection e, the number of students who like both, is equal to, we put the value of n only m 30, n only e 40, plus n m intersection e is equal to 40 is equal to 110. The number of students who like both math and English is equal to 110. Thank you for watching my video.